Hi friends, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you DIY aloe vera and mint summer soap. Step 1. Take a medium sized soap base. Here I'm using shea butter soap base. Step 2. Chop the soap base into pieces and keep them in a steel bowl. Keep it aside until you prepare your flavor. Step 3. Use 3 mint leaves. Put them in a blender and blend it into pieces. We need a soap mold. Step 4. Take a wide pan, pour some water and keep it in medium flame. Put the soap paste bowl in the pan. Soap base began to melt after 2 minutes. Let us prepare the flavor. Step 5. Add 2 tablespoons of unboiled milk. Here I am using lemongrass oil because it has got good antibacterial properties. Add 4 to 5 drops of lemongrass oil. Step 6. Add 1 tablespoon of homemade aloe vera gel. Mix it properly with a spoon. Soap base is almost ready. Yes, this is the perfect consistency to add flavor. Step 7. Add flavor to the soap base and let it boil for 3 to 5 minutes. In the meanwhile, grease the soap mold. I'm using vegetable oil. You can also use petroleum jelly if you want. Step 8. Pour soap base into the mold. Let it rest for a couple of hours. After 2 hours, it's all done. Let's demold it. There you go. Aloe vera and mint summer soap is all ready. Aloe vera helps in skin soothing and mint works great on prickly heat. Now let's check its leather. It actually gives good leather. If you find this video useful, please pour in your comments and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.